All right. So, what I want to tell that lately I was a bit busy with other project, and I just realized that I didn't sketch for fun. And in the beginning, my profession, as an illustrator, was the point to enjoy the sketching and making illustrations. But I just realized that last months I was studying, I was learning, I was experimenting, I was doing a lot of stuff, but I forgot about the main point why I'm an illustrator, just to enjoy of the process. So, and I just thinking that today will be such a good day. Just do not rush, don't do any extra big plans, just enjoy of sketching. And I only once just made all my workspace with light, and I just want to enjoy this moment because I spent time to decorating this all. So today video I just want to make, I don't know even how to call it. I'm gonna just sketch, watch a nice movie, drink tea, and just enjoy to be an artist. But before I will do this, I need just a bit clean up on my workspace. Regularly, I really try to keep my, after every day, I'm cleaning the entire workspace and my studio, just to feel cozy in the morning when I just starting the work, because starting the work is probably the biggest problem. And if I do have a mess on my work table, then I can start procrastinate 100%. It's why I always trying to keep, after the day is finished, my table, my studio as clean as possible. So, but yesterday I just finished in the midnight and I was so sleepy, so I leave it like this. I just need to prepare my table for sketching session. I didn't want to think too long about the scenario and to make some complicated illustration. All I want just to sketch. And at first I thought probably I will find something on Pinterest. Sometimes I'm doing stuff like this. And when I was looking for some nice wintry thing, it just reminded me the first year after we moved to the Netherlands. That was in December and we have incredible snowstorm here. I felt so magical these days. I remember that everything was blended in softness and fluffiest snow ever, and all these days I just was walking outside, making pictures and making videos, and I was so happy. At this point I believed that in the Netherlands we have snow every year, but now I know it's a really rare situation. So it's why I really want to just recall this memory and just draw something about snow, something about Christmas, and I was looking for the perfect picture just to cover this moment. Okay, so this is two pictures I chose. It's both mine. And now I need to choose which one I want to draw right now. So I will probably go with this one because I really love combination of colors over here, like this pinky trees, and also I really love this scene with a lot of snow. I'm really miss the snow, and like when I'm sketching and doing illustrations with the snow, it's give me a bit of this feeling that snow is real. Okay, let's sketch this one.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere, so come home. There's no better place, waking up on Christmas Day. Tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing in the street. Presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire. Bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same, waking up on Christmas Day.
Так, тебе может ты опять что-то тебе что-то идет.
Waking up on Christmas Day. Tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing in the street. Presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire. Bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same, waking up on Christmas Day. Waking up on Christmas Day. If you just look through the scintillating door, you're gonna see me there, just sitting on my own. I hear the people laugh, but I just check my clock. I've never been the best. We've mingled a small talk, and then I hear a crash behind my back. One glass of mulled wine rains down my jacket, then I see you blushing, and suddenly it's clear when I look at you that Christmas is here. You tell me, don't you think this place is looking crowded? And then you whisper in my ear, look, I'm not even sure. My mind's a little clouded, but it looks like Christmas is here.
You ask me about my sweater with Santa in space. I tell you it's a gift from the owner of this place.
And then you're looking up and tell me with a glow it looks like we stand under a mistletoe. And then we feel a bump
behind our back,
somebody pushing you,
or the table cracks.
and then I'm thanking Santa,
This must be a sign,
'cause your funny space sweater
is now full of wine.
You tell me, don't you think this party's very loud? That's why you whisper in my ear.
Let's find another place and leave behind this crowd, and then I know that Christmas is here. I saw you through the door, just sitting on your own. Decide to break the ice by setting up the tone, looking for a way to finally catch your eye. Couldn't think of nothing better than a glass of spilled wine.
You tell me, don't you think this party's very loud? That's why you whispered in my ear.
Let's find another place and leave behind this crowd, 'cause
Christmas is finally here.
It's getting cold, just look at the falling snow. There's season's greetings, happy meetings, oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Way up north, they're making toys for every little girl and boy who mailed in letters, 'cause they've been better, so much better than the year before. Santa's crossing off every wish, even moms and dads have made the list. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When it's owls, clear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the route, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. Oh, can we give it one more time?
Merry Christmas!
Okay, I just finished, and honestly, as I planned in the very beginning that I just want to enjoy, it's happened. I even forgot to watch the movie. I just been in a moment, and oh my goodness, I really need to do this much more often because this has really inspired me, and I'm pretty happy with the result. Probably it's not the best, but again, I enjoyed just sketching, and this is the reason why I am an artist, right? Okay, wishing you an amazing weekend. Bye. This girl really loves to be pet, but she doesn't like kissing, right, Mara? This is my senior cat. She's already 10 or 11 years old, so she's really smart and she's really cute cat, but she doesn't like kissing.